Hey guys, this is question 9 on your question 8 on your study guide, and we are labeling this distance time graph in the different segments, saying where it's moving forwards, backwards, if it's not moving, if it's speeding up or slowing down, like that kind of stuff. So we'll go through this real quick. So we're just looking at each section that's divided up. So for from 0 to 1 seconds, this is moving forwards. Anywhere in the graph that your line is headed up on a distance time graph or position time graph, it is moving forwards. So for the first one, it's moving forwards. From 1 to 2, it is not moving. And then from 2 to 3, it is moving backwards because it's going down, as well as from 3 to 4, the line is still going down even though it's curved. It's moving backwards or into the negative direction. And then from 4 to 5, it is moving in the positive direction because your line is headed up. All right. So then for the second part of the question, it's asking if it's constant velocity, speeding up, slowing down. So anywhere it has a diagonal, it is going to be a constant velocity. So I'm going to write CON for constant. So from 0 to 1 would be constant. Again, we're not moving in 1 to 2, so none of these apply. And then from 2 to 3, we are moving at a constant velocity. You're just now moving at a constant velocity in the negative direction. From 3 to 4 seconds, you are slowing down because your curve is getting flatter at the end, and when you see that, that means you are slowing down. And then from 4 to 5, you are speeding up because you are getting steeper at the end. All right, so if you're steeper here and then flattening out, you're slowing down. The other type of slowing down curve you'll see is when it's going the positive direction, it's going to look like that. And then when it's flatter in the beginning and steeper at the ends, it is going to be speeding up. So you have this one and then also the curve like that. That would be negative direction and speeding up. So I hope that helps you with this question. Let me know if you guys have any other questions about this question.